still ain't ran out of luck. I still ain't ran out of bucks. Still ain't ran out of no drink in my cup. Still ain't ran out of no gas in my butt. I still need more than enough. I still got bitches more than the fuck. I still ain't ran out of luck. I still ain't ran out of bucks.
What's up, everybody? How's it going? I believe this is the last part I needed in order to get this manifold back into this car. I got this alternator belt situated because what happened was I bought like the original belts. I'm running these aftermarket pulleys. I needed shorter belts, so T-Rex Performance, they hooked me up with these, and then I painted them chrome to match with all this chrome that's going on over here. So the line that basically stopped me from putting the whole entire manifold back together, and this one right here. This, I believe, connects to the fuel route. That's what it is. And this is basically the piece right here. But this one over here, it broke. So that's what came in the mail today. So right over here. So we're gonna be opening this box up right now, and then I'll be installing it right now, and then we could put everything back on, connect everything together, and then move on to the next assignment. There it is. It's clipped on. It comes out right here, I believe. We got it on, and I did clean the white coolant hoses. I bought white. Don't ask me why. Actually do ask me why, because I think it's cool. I'm going to be installing the intake back on here, and then we do have a complete engine, and all I'm doing is waiting for miscellaneous pieces in order to get this engine back in the car. What I'm gonna need is basically a transmission, because I'm gonna be taking that transmission out, and then I still gotta get me a battery, alternator. I'm gonna be doing a battery relocation to the rear of the trunk, so I have more room and more airflow in the front. I do gotta get the fans. Radiator is coming in from one of my people that are selling it for cheap. Right now I'm gonna be installing this. Sorry, I don't have another cameraman to show you guys where all of these go, but if you guys ever need help, let me know. I'll just be going right back in the old videos I posted, and I'll tell you guys what goes to what, because I literally everything apart from this engine, and to see it back together little by little, I'm really excited because I have no mechanic history. I strongly love cars for years, and that's what led me to, yeah. So the next time you see this, we're gonna be having all the intake manifolds. So here we go, just giving another update. So I was able to figure out where all the hoses go to. What I did was I put all these air hoses that were back here. They're all installed. We are going to put this top manifold in, and then after we're going to connect the solenoids or SSV. I gotta double check to see what wire these are, but these go back over here. Sorry for the poor lighting, but those are the three connectors that go right here. So just a little update. Okay, I can't say completely. I am almost done with the engine. Like I'd say 97 to 98% of the engine is completed right now. Only thing I have to do is one of the oil lines that go over here. Sorry that is dark, but one of the lines that goes over here basically comes out past here. So that's gonna be the only thing. I'm gonna have to be putting the AC. The engine is completely done, and also all I have to do is just put this belt on here. But yeah, I literally just got done cleaning it up, cleaning all the holes up since they were white and they get dirty quick. I got the engine mount brackets, both of them. They came in today, but like literally that one fuel line hose, which is this one, was the only thing stopping me from completely putting the intake on. So now it's finally on. I could say that the engine is practically done, everything. So all I have left to do is, you know, buy the transmission, get a engine hoist, I believe it's called, and lift this sucker up and put it inside the car, and then start connecting all the hoses and the wires and connecting the ECU back, buying a new battery, and then this car should be fired up. I'm really happy. Thanks to T-Rack Performance for helping me out with the engine, and thanks to my #1 help, which was Dan Buck. He helped me throughout the whole entire build, and I can't be more thankful for him helping me out, because I would not be done right now. He helped me with literally every question I had with the engine. Where did everything go? And I used e-manual to where all the wire diagrams and everything like that. So yeah, the engine is done. Everything is connected in the right place. Sensors, hose, connectors, everything is connected. So all I have left to do is just buy the transmission, and the car, everything's gonna go in the car. Oh yeah, and I also need to buy motor mounts. I don't know which one I'm gonna go with, but like I said, this engine is gonna be in the car. Transmission, probably buy that in like two to 3 more weeks. The car will be running by next month. I'm really excited, and I want to thank everybody who helped me out with this build. So thank you guys. Peace out. Hey everybody, how's it going? It's your boy Joe Vanel, and we back here again inside of the RC. So today what I'm going to be doing is removing the radiator fan and the radiator itself, because I will be upgrading to Mishimoto. Okay, so as far as I can see right now, I had to take this bolt off. You remove the coolant reservoir, or I just push it to the side, but there's a bolt right here. Make sure that all the plugs are disconnected. I'm just gonna start by removing those bolts, and then I guess move underneath the car.
Still ain't ran out, I no gas in my blunt. I still need more than enough. I still got bitches more than a fuck. I still ain't ran out of luck. I still ain't ran out of bucks. I still ain't ran out of bitches. Every time I'm in that city, I just hit them up. It's a must. Get in touch. Get this up. Then get the fuck. Don't need my talent, ask me who do I trust. Tell the barber come to the crib, I need a cut. Have the car service at the airport pick me up. No security, but they still can't stick me up. List of photographers who still gon' flip me up. But can you?
Basically the front end is basically all taken off.
If I ever have